Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 6, OV 56. वर्षास दोन नवी निशाणे, समारंभे होई मिरवणे. मशिदीचे कळसास बांधणे, तेथेची रोवणे अखेर. Every year, 2 new flags are ceremoniously carried in procession and tied to the dome of the masjid and permanently fixed there. त्यातील एक निमोणकरांचे, दुजे निशाण दामुअण्णांचे. मिरवणे होते थाटामाटाचे, फडकते कळसाचे अग्रभागी. Out of the two, one would be Nimonkar's and the other Damuanna's. They are taken with pomp in procession, and they fly high on the top of the dome. पुढे रामनवमीचा उत्सव, उरुसापोटी कैसा समुद्भव. परिसा ते कथानक अभिनव, स्वानंद गौरव शिर्डीचे. Now listen to the interesting account of how the celebration of Ram Navami originated from the Urus, which is unusual, the pleasure and glory of Shirdi. शके 1833 साली रामनवमी प्रथम झाली. उरुसापोटी जन्मास आली, तेथुनी चालली अव्याहत. Originating from the Urus, Ram Navami was celebrated for the first time in Shake 1833, and since then it continues uninterruptedly to be held to this day. प्रसिद्ध कृष्ण जागेश्वर भीष्म, तेथुनी या कल्पनेचा उगम. करावा रामजन्मोपक्रम, लाधेल परम कल्याण. The famous Krishna Jageshwar Bhishma was the originator of the idea of celebrating the birth of Ram, which he thought would be greatly beneficial for all. तेथपर्यंत केवळ उरुस, यात्रा भरत असे बहुवस. त्यातुनी हा जन्मोत्सव सुरस, आला उदयास ते साली. Till then, it was only the Urus for which the people participated. Since that year, the beautiful festival of the birth of Ram took place. एकता भीष्म स्वस्थचित्त, वाडियामाजी असता स्थित. काका पूजा संभार समवेत, जावया मशिदीत उद्युक्त. Once, as Bhishma was peacefully sitting in the Vada, and Kaka was ready to leave for the masjid along with the puja paraphernalia, अंतरी साई दर्शन काज, वरी उरसाची ही मौज. काका आधीच एक रोज, शिर्डीत हजर उत्सवार्थ. In his heart, he, that is Kaka, was thinking of Sai Darshan, and outwardly he was enthusiastic about the Urus. Kaka had come a day earlier to Shirdi for the celebrations. पाहुनिया समय उचित, भीष्म तेव्हा काकास पुसत. सद्वृत्ती एक मनी स्फुरत, द्याल का मदत मजलागी. Considering it an opportune moment, Bhishma asked Kaka, "Would you give me help for a good cause that has inspired me?" येथे वर्षास भरतो उरुस, रामजन्माचा हा दिवस. तरी जन्मोत्सव संपादायास, आहे अनायास ही संधी. Here, every year, Urus is held on the day which is also the birth of Ram. Therefore, this is a natural opportunity to hold the ceremony of the birth of Ram. काकास आवडला तो विचार, घ्या म्हणाले बाबांचा होकार. आहे तयांच्या आज्ञेवर, कार्यास उशीर नाही मग. Kaka liked the idea and asked Bhishma to obtain Baba's consent. It would depend on his wish. Then there would be no delay in the work.